Connecting an Xbox controller to your iPhone is easy as long as you have the correct controller, which I'll explain at the end. You also need to have iOS 13 and above installed on your phone and have your Bluetooth turned on. So let's get this controller connected. First, turn on the Xbox controller. Don't worry if this turns on your Xbox at the same time. Then at the top of the controller, press and hold the pairing button until the power light blinks. Now on the iPhone, go into Bluetooth settings. As long as Bluetooth is active on your phone, you should see the Xbox controller appear in the devices list. Just tap on the controller name and it will connect. You can then easily confirm whether it's connected properly. But not all Xbox controllers will work on the iPhone, and here's how you check. Older first generation controllers don't work, and they have two separate sections at the top of the controller. You can see that there are two layers of plastic here. Newer controllers have one single piece of plastic over the entire front faceplate, and it's easy to see on this white controller. So as long as you have the newer model, you'll be able to connect your Xbox controller to your iPhone using iOS 13 and above. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.